Past tense, regular verbs, part 2. Listen and repeat. What did you do yesterday? I cooked dinner for my family. I cooked dinner for my family. Cook, cooked. What did you do yesterday? I danced with my friend. I danced with my friend. Dance, danced. What did you do yesterday? I fixed my bike. I fixed my bike. Fix, fixed. What did you do yesterday? I ironed the laundry. I ironed the laundry. Iron, ironed. What did you do yesterday? I visited my grandmother. I visited my grandmother. Visit, visited. What did you do yesterday? I washed my car. I washed my car. Wash, washed. What did you do yesterday? I watered my plants. I watered my plants. Water, watered. What did you do yesterday? I worked at my office. I worked at my office. Work, worked. Now let's review. Listen and repeat. Cook, cooked. Dance, danced. Fix, fixed. Iron, ironed. Visit, visited. Wash, washed. Water, watered. Work, worked. Do you remember the verbs? Let's see. What did she do yesterday? And the answer is, she cooked dinner for her family. What did she do yesterday? And the answer is, she danced with her friend. What did he do yesterday? The answer is he fixed his bike. What did she do yesterday? And the answer is she ironed the laundry. What did he do yesterday? The answer is he visited his grandmother. What did he do yesterday? And the answer is he washed his car. What did she do yesterday? The answer is she watered her plants. What did he do yesterday? And the answer is he worked at his office. Great work. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.